Let's learn about dividing by a two-digit divisor. Divide 7,256 by 18 using long division. So let's set up our long division here. 18 goes into that 7,256. We first say, how many times is 18 going to 7? Well, 0 times because 7 is smaller than 18, so we move on over. 18 goes into 72. That's going to be 4 times. 4 times 18 gives me exactly a 72. We subtract the two numbers, we get a 0. Bring down the 5. How many times does 18 go into 5? That's going to be 0 times. And if you want to follow the same process, you can. 0 times 18 is 0. Subtract it, bring down the 5. Bring down the 6 right here. And so what number times 18 gets us close to 56? And that's going to be 3. 3 times 18 is a 54. We subtract the 2 right there, 56 minus 54, which is a 2. And so that's going to be our remainder right there. And so our number here, 403 remainder 2, that's our answer. And that's what happens when we divide 7,256 by 18. We get 403 with a remainder of 2. I hope you learned something here about dividing by a two-digit divisor. And as always, thanks for watching.